Okay, so this week I thought was really interesting, and once again, we were studying cardio in my program this week as well. I have basically not been exposed to a lot of this stuff until right now. Even in the RN program I transferred from, we didn't listen to a lot of heart sounds. We definitely never went over echoes, MRIs. Obviously, I know a little bit about the pedigrees. But, so patient A was complaining of syncope. We found a murmur during systole on the auscultation findings. The echocardiogram showed that the aorta was dilated, which indicates aortic aneurysm. The MRI showed nothing other than the dilated aorta. The pedigree showed that it was a dominant pattern of inheritance, and the diagnosis was Marfan syndrome. Patient B presented with breathlessness and erratic heartbeat. Auscultation showed first and second sounds abnormal. The echocardiogram showed that the wall was missing between the left and right atria, which is an atrial septal defect. That was interesting to me because I did have a peds patient in my old school on a rotation, and he did have one of those, and I do remember listening to that. Didn't do an MRI on him, and the pedigree was an autosomal recessive pattern of inheritance, and it was Ellis Van Creveld syndrome. I don't know if I said that right. Patient C presented with dyspnea and fatigue during strenuous activity. Auscultation found a diastolic murmur. Echocardiogram showed that the mitral valve was thickened and not moving properly. No MRI was done. The pedigree showed it didn't seem inheritable, and it was mitral stenosis. So overall, I really enjoyed this lab, and I felt like it was really helpful, and I liked how interactive it was.